Bienvenidos a todos. Today we are at the Latin Mess in Bandra and we're going to try some delicious Latin American street food. So let's begin. Empezamos. So arepas are generally bread and they have served it in the form of a burger. They are mainly made of corn. And also this bread doesn't have any gluten or dairy, and arepas are hugely popular in Colombia and Venezuela. And there's also caramelized onion, a yogurt and cream sauce, and also a chipotle chili based sauce which is tinga poblano. It's slightly crispy, a little chewy. The patty tastes amazing. To go along with all the yummy fried stuff that we're having, I'm going to sip on to this Tamarindo, which is a mixture of tamarind pulp, jaggery and star anise. It's like a Latin American aam panna, guys. Very refreshing. And the empanadas are here. So let's taste them. So here I have one which is a mutton filling and one which is a veg filling. If you see it, it reminds us a lot of samosa. So this is fried, but unlike a samosa, the covering is slightly thicker. The mutton is really well cooked, and I'm going to try with this chimichurri salsa, which is a mixture of parsley, oregano, garlic, olive oil, vinegar and a lot of yummy Latin American ingredients. The combination of these two is amazing, guys. You must try this. And now I'm going to try the veg empanada. There is corn, there is chili flakes and basil in it. Extremely flaky, and it just melts in your mouth when you bite into it. It's out of the world. And the tamales are here. So tamales are very popular in Mexico. Here I have mushroom tamales. These tamales are basically steamed in these corn leaves, and the base is basically made of corn flour. In Latin America, they either have a beef filling or some kind of a meat filling instead of a vegetarian filling. And the base, which is the corn base, is somewhat like when you have like a crumbly paneer dish. It's just like that. Adios.